The Dutch government wants to create a more sustainable country. That's why the Netherlands has opted for green growth. To preserve wealth for future generations, we have to seize new business opportunities and also take into account the growing need for sustainability. To bring about genuine transition to green growth, all relevant parties must work together. The government's Green Deal policy aims to play a facilitating and stimulating role in areas such as mobility, climate, water, biodiversity, food, resources, construction, the bio-based economy, and energy. The Green Deal policy's main objective is to ensure that all involved parties generate activities that will not only foster economic growth, but will also improve the environment. Businesses and other organizations sometimes encounter barriers when taking their innovative green products or services to market. The Dutch government hopes to break down these barriers by removal of obstacles in laws and regulations, supporting innovative projects, creating access to networks, and launching various strategic market incentives. Cooperation in Green Deal initiatives require contribution from all parties in order to achieve objectives. Solving problems together is a Green Deal's strongest value. Numerous Green Deal initiatives have been launched throughout the Netherlands, and we'd like to show you 3 examples. The Direct Current Green Deal is working towards a unique and sustainable DC-powered electricity network. Many machines, including electric cars, run on DC-powered motors. At present, AC power is often used to run electric vehicles, and conversion requires a lot of energy and consumption. A DC-powered electricity network is a simpler and more efficient system. Besides being energy efficient, DC power saves raw materials, and that in turn saves a lot of money. Here's a second example. The Natural Plastics Green Deal is working to replace support posts for young saplings with ground anchors manufactured from bio-based materials. This initiative contributes to the bio-based economy. It is also sustainable since these ground anchors are made from recycled waste materials that decompose naturally in the ground. The use of ground anchors to stake newly planted trees can reduce the costs of the current method of planting with wooden support posts by 20%. This is because it eliminates the need to remove the wooden posts at a later date. The transition to this system also offers another major advantage. It reduces CO2 since fewer trees need to be cut down to produce support posts. Here's a third example of Green Deal, in which many parties collaborate with the Dutch government. The Ship Waste Processing Green Deal aims to reduce pollution in seas and oceans. This is achieved by thorough collection of ship waste, waste sorting, and the recycling of plastics. This initiative is also improving waste supervision and processing capacities in ports. 3/4 of the floating litter in the world's sea is plastic. This Green Deal contributes to closing the plastic value chain. These 3 examples illustrate the government's success in launching Green Deal with relevant market actors. Green Deal initiatives contribute towards improvements in the environment and stimulate economic growth. Green Deal projects inspire others and pave the way for new, sustainable initiatives. In this way, the Green Deal approach is attracting numerous followers and leading towards an increasingly greener society. More information on the Dutch Green Deal approach can be found on greendeals.nl.